Sometimes less is more. With the cops continuing to police their own ranks, the next step is to press the reset button to purge the system of glitches and bugs. Joy Gumata explains the PNP's ongoing internal cleansing process is a simple mathematical formulation of addition and subtraction.
The 1,200 police scalawags that are set to be removed from service is not a loss for the police force of the National Capital Region. This according to NCRPO Director Oscar Albayalde, who believes that they can handle 1:500 or even 1:1,000 police-to-citizen population ratio, as long as each and every one of them is responsible, hardworking, and disciplined.
When I was with the SAF, we operate like one team, no? 8 lang kami, and yet ang kalaban mo 50, mga ganon. So, ganon ang gusto natin na mangyari. We go for yung quality ng ating kapulisan. We do not go for quantity.
Based on the recent data, Metro Manila population marks at 13 million, with more or less 20,000 police officers roaming around the region to maintain peace and security. NCRPO is closely watching over the hearings of the alleged police scalawags within its force to make sure that it can excellently implement internal cleansing as per the Chief Executive's advice.
Yung ating mga pulis, hindi na natin kailangan sinusupervise pa, hindi na natin kailangan sasabihin kung ano ang dapat gawin o anong hindi dapat gawin, no? Yung pagbibihis lang natin, we should be in proper uniform always. Yung pagte-text lang na sa kalsada, na may directive na tayo diyan, still many are engaged in texting, no? Walang ginawa kundi mag-text nasa isang lugar. No?
It will be hand in hand with the conduct of retraining and reorientation of undisciplined police officers so they may easily regain the respect and trust of the public. Albayalde assures that the change within the National Capital Region Police Office will come this year to better serve and protect the Filipino people. For PTV News, Joy Gumatay.